Silent victim. She signed the paper at the end of a long fight. Confidential clause, no right to talk at night. They said it's standard, just a formality. But the clause took her voice, a whole reality. Can't tell her friends, can't warn the next one. NDA stitched her lips before the damage was done. They called it a settlement, called it resolved. But the truth stayed buried and the wrong stayed unsolved. They paid her to forget, paid her to stay quiet. They bought her silence like it was theirs to buy it. But silence victims don't mean nobody's heard. It means the next one's walking into the same dirt. Silent victim, told to sign and never question. Silent victim, justice traded for suppression. They sealed the file, they sealed the story. No accountability, no mandatory glory. Silent victim, not a resolution. Silent victim, just an institution. Suppression order drops, no one can report. The public interest locked behind the court. Media gagged, the journalist warned off. The cover-up dressed up and made her look soft. Another hearing held, another name redacted. Another systemic failure left untracked. And she sits at home knowing what she knows, while the world outside never gets the disclosure. They paid her to forget, paid her to stay quiet. They bought her silence like it was theirs to buy it. But silence victims don't mean nobody's heard. It means the next one's walking into the same dirt. Silent victim, told to sign and never question. Silent victim, justice traded for suppression. They sealed the file, they sealed your story. No accountability, no mandatory glory. Silent victim, not a resolution. Silent victim, just an institution. Evidence integrity protocols, mandatory disclosure walls. You cannot bury what must be known. The public has a right to what's been shown. Judicial integrity commission. Sunlight is the only real permission. Legal aid to give her room to fight before they close the curtain on her right. She's one of many, there's a list long. A voice is traded off to keep things going strong. For the institution, for the quarterly report, for the reputation of a deeply broken court. But every NDA that seals a victim's claim is a future victim walking into the same. We name them here, we say they matter. We will not let the cover-up scatter. Silent victim, we hear you even when they silent. Silent victim, fairgojustice stands beside you. Break the NDA, no, change the law. So silence is no longer what they draw. Silent victim, your story matters. Silent victim, we'll keep collecting data.